Now we're going to look at installing the T1 clips onto the holster. The T1 clips are going to come in two separate kits, one clip, 2 1/4-inch screws, and 2 square nuts. If you look on here, you have 2 sets of holes. We'll go ahead and install both of them for this, but you could install one or the other, and then you have two sets of holes, a top and a lower. So here you can go with the top and get adjustment there. You can go with the bottom and get adjustment there. Okay, either direction. And basically you'll see I have my pencil marks here from when I tried this on earlier, and I'll go ahead and line it up so that the top bend of the clip is in line with the pencil mark. I'll take the square nut, place it on my finger, and find that spot inside and hold it in place. The screw goes in on top, and we screw it together. The second square nut is the same. And now I have these set up. From here, if we need to, we can adjust our ride height a little bit. Make sure both of these are lined up, make sure they're both vertical. And then from there, we can tighten this down. And now you have your 2 T1 clips set up on your TENICOR Malus Sol.